In a remarkable demonstration of maritime power, the Indian Navy showcased its impressive capabilities on June 10th by conducting twin carrier operations and deploying over 35 military aircraft in the Arabian Sea. During the operation, India's two aircraft carriers led their battle groups in a combined exercise, highlighting the Indian Navy's formidable maritime capabilities and its capacity to project power across the Indian Ocean and beyond. With the commissioning of the domestically built carrier Vikrant in September last year, valued at $3 billion, India gained the capability of dual carrier operations, complementing the service of Vikramaditya, which was acquired from Russia and has been in operation since 2013. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why dual carrier operation by the Indian Navy is an impressive show of force. Let's get started. India's Navy release states, "This demonstration of naval prowess underscores India's commitment to safeguarding its national interests, maintaining regional stability, and fostering cooperative partnerships in the maritime domain. It also marks a significant milestone in the Indian Navy's pursuit of enhancing maritime security and power projection in the Indian Ocean and beyond." The exercise involved the seamless integration of two aircraft carriers, INSVikramaditya and the indigenously built INSVikrant, along with a diverse fleet of ships, submarines, and aircraft, showing India's technological expertise in the maritime domain. INSVikramaditya and INSVikrant, centerpieces of the exercise, serve as floating sovereign airfields, providing a launch platform for a wide array of aircraft, including MiG-29K fighter jets, MH-60R, Kamov, Sea King, Chetak, and ALH helicopters. These mobile bases can be positioned anywhere, allowing for increased mission flexibility, timely response to emerging threats, and sustained air operations to safeguard our national interests across the globe. In addition, they provide our friends with an assurance that the Indian Navy is capable and ready to support our collective security needs in the region. The successful demonstration of two carrier battle group operations serves as a powerful testament to the pivotal role of sea-based air power in maintaining maritime superiority. As India continues to strengthen its security apparatus, the significance of aircraft carriers will remain paramount in shaping the nation's defense strategy and promoting regional stability. INSVikramaditya is the Indian Navy's largest short takeoff but assisted recovery STOBAR aircraft carrier and warship converted from the Russian Navy's decommissioned Admiral Gorshkov vertical takeoff and landing VTOL missile cruise carrier. INSVikramaditya was commissioned into service in November 2013. The warship was extensively refurbished with new propulsion systems, hull sections, sensors, and a flight deck. It was operationally deployed with a full complement of MiG-29 aircraft in May 2014. The vessel can carry more than 30 long-range, multi-role fighters with anti-ship missiles, air-to-air missiles, guided bombs, and rockets. The naval variant of the indigenous CLA Tejas fighters aircraft made its first landing on the INSVikramaditya in January 2020. The warship can carry more than 8,000 tons of low-sulfur, high-speed diesel. It has a maximum speed of more than 30 knots and can achieve a maximum range of 13,000 kilometers, or about 8,080 miles. It can endure up to 45 days at sea. Vikrant is designed by India's Directorate of Naval Design of the Indian Navy and is the first warship to be built by Cochin Shipyard. Its construction involved the participation of a large number of private and public firms. Around 76% of the ship's parts were sourced indigenously. About 500 Indian firms were roped in. Significant delays haunted Vikrant. Its keel was laid down in 2009, and the carrier is 13 years in the making. INSVikrant is 262 meters, or 860 feet in length, has 3,200 compartments, and can accommodate 1,700 seamen. Vikrant features a stow bar, short takeoff but arrested recovery configuration with a ski jump. The deck is designed to enable aircraft such as MiG-29K to operate from the carrier. It's expected to carry an air group of up to 30 aircraft, which will include up to 24 to 26 fixed-wing combat aircraft, primarily the MiG-29K, besides carrying 10 Kamov Ka-31 or Westland Sea King helicopters. Sometime back, Indian Navy Vice Chief Vice Admiral S.N. Gourmaid said, "We designed the Vikrant for operating the MiG-29K, but we would ultimately deploy the indigenous TEDBF twin-engine deck-based fighter aircraft, for which we are working with DRDO. For the interim, we're looking at Rafale and FA-18 aircraft, and trials have been carried out. The primary air defense weapon of INSVikrant is the Barak 8. The carrier has 2 by 32 vertical launch system cells. India entered the aircraft carrier realm in 1961 with the commissioning of its first carrier, followed by the addition of a second carrier in 1987. There have been 2 periods in the past when India operated 2 aircraft carriers simultaneously, from 1987 to 1997 and from 2013 to 2017. While both China and the UK possess multiple aircraft carriers in their modern fleets, neither has yet conducted dual carrier operations with them. The US is far ahead when it comes to carrier operations. While none of the Indian carriers are nuclear-powered and carry far fewer aerial assets compared to American Nimitz or Ford-class supercarriers, the carriers are still some of the most capable platforms in the world. It's important to note that New Delhi's forces have been stepping up cooperation with other navies in the Indo-Pacific, including those in the informal Quad partnership, United States, Japan, and Australia, in the annual Malabar naval exercises. It's not hard to see that the showcasing of dual carrier operation is primarily aimed at China, which has been trying to establish a regional hegemony.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.